everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making a facial mask, a very special and unique facial mask. Now this is a mask that contains some amazing humectant. Humectant is what helps to seal the moisture in the skin. This mask is going to have your skin looking just radiant, glowing, dewy, and just give you that natural glow to the skin. This mask also will help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So if you're looking to transform your skin, to get your skin to look fresh, radiant, and glowing, follow me to the kitchen. We're gonna whip this up really quick, and then guess what? I'm gonna share a live demonstration. The live demonstration at the end of this video is a must watch, so do not skip that part. Wait for the end, watch the live demonstration to show you how to use this mask for the most effective result. Now take a look at my first ingredient. Here I have some petroleum jelly. Brand is Vaseline. Petroleum jelly will have to lock that moisture in the skin. If you're looking to get rid of dry skin, if you're looking to get your skin to be free from wrinkles and fine lines, if you're looking for your skin to look younger and fresher, well, this is something you can try on the skin. So what we're going to do with our Vaseline, we're going to dive right in. And we're going to use about 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline. We're going to pour this in a bowl. You want to make sure to soften the Vaseline. Yes, you can even melt it if you want. Okay? So take your whisker, a spoon like I'm doing here, and soften this Vaseline, making it into a creamy consistency, melting this petroleum jelly. So mixing it well until it start to look white. When it starts to look white, that is when it is very soft and really melting. So go ahead, and this is going to take about a minute or two to just soften that Vaseline up. Coming along nicely. And now take a look. This is what it looks like. And now we're going to add another ingredient to this. Now take a look at my next ingredient, and yes, this is water. This is rose water. Rose water have to balance the pH of the skin. It have to keep the skin hydrated. Now we are going to mix, yes, oil and water. So we're going to pour about a teaspoon of the rose water in our container with our Vaseline, and we're going to mix this in. Now, you're going to notice that it is not settling in. Not to worry, because it's going to absorb the rest of the ingredients. Now, once this is done, let's reach for our baking soda. And yes, we are using baking soda today. Baking soda will have to exfoliate the skin. It will also have to shrink those large pores by getting them clean. It will have to get rid of the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. Now, we don't need a lot of the baking soda, around about a teaspoon of the baking soda. Remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. And as you can clearly see how the rose water come into play with this mixture. So we're mixing petroleum jelly, we're mixing rose water, and we are mixing baking soda. And when you're mixing, you're going to feel the granules at the bottom of this, so just keep mixing. This we're going to be using to slug. We're going to use this to exfoliate the skin, to brighten the skin. So continue to mix. Now I have one optional ingredient to this because we're really brightening and hydrating the skin today. And here I have some turmeric. And turmeric is an amazing ingredient to clear pigmentation on the skin. However, the way to use the turmeric is to use just a little dash. That is how effective this is. So do not overuse your turmeric. And take a look at this, just a pinch of the turmeric we're putting in this. When you use way too much turmeric, it tends to stain the skin, and that's what you do not want to do. So go ahead and mix that turmeric in. Remember, it's optional. Another ingredient that you could add in this is a little bit of matcha powder, especially for anti-aging purposes. So here we have some petroleum jelly. We also have some rose water. We have some baking soda. And we have some turmeric powder. We are going to brighten the skin. Don't know why I never ever think about mixing these together, because this is just an amazing combination. Now, I'm going to add a little tap more of the baking soda in. Just another teaspoon of the baking soda. We want it to be a little dry. And now guess what, guys? This is ready to use on the skin. We're going to exfoliate the skin. We're going to clear hyperpigmentation. We're going to brighten the skin. We're going to get that skin soft, supple, and free from wrinkles. So do not click off. Continue to watch for the live demonstration. And now we are going to slug away. Just wash your face before you use this on the skin. Now take a look. I'm going to be very much generous with this. This is what I'm going to use on my face right now. Face is clean. I'm just going to paste it on my face like this. This is locking that moisture in the skin. When I'm done with this, my skin is just going to look so soft, so young looking, so fresh looking. So apply it on the skin like this. Yes, this could go all the way under the eyes, but do not let it get in the eyes. Upper lip wrinkles, your sagging jawline, apply it on the skin. Now, when you apply it on the skin in a thick layer, you're going to go back in with your hands and you're going to work it on the skin like this. You're going to feel some granules in this from the baking soda. So I love this. This really makes my skin feel smooth and nice when I'm done. Work it in on the skin. And you go with the amount of pressure you can tolerate on your skin. Everyone's skin is different, so know your skin. Now we're slugging this on the neck and on the décolleté, making the skin smooth and soft. And the reason why we're exfoliating, we're getting rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. Taking the skin to the next level, guys. I should have used this on one side of my face for you all to see how effective this is. Now, I'm going in my laugh lines and I'm cleaning that and lifting it up while I'm doing this. Now, look at my skin. It's so smooth right now. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to sit around with this for about 30 minutes on my skin, just so my skin could really get really plumpy. And guess what, guys? After 30 minutes, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to wash your face, preferably with warm water. Now, when you rinse your face off, you're rinsing off the dead skin cells. You are rinsing off the grease and the dirt, because this is going to trap everything and reveal beautiful, radiant skin. And also, guys, you're going to be blown away of how hydrated your skin is. Now, I do not recommend that you use this on your skin every day or 2 to 3 times a week. All you need is once per week. Just give your face that deep treatment once a week with this amazing remedy. And guess what? Once you do that and you do your regular skincare routine every day, you're on your way to amazing looking glass-like skin.